You're going to create the iPhone 16 Pro using Blender in about 3 minutes. And the most insane part is that you can download and use this iPhone 16 Pro 3D model completely free right now using the links in the description below. So download Blender if you don't have it already. Now let's create the iPhone 16 Pro using Blender. Create a new cube mesh and align them with the front and side reference images. Then we will bevel the corners of the cube mesh to round them out. Now select the front face of the cube mesh and then set to create the screen. And then we will create a new cube mesh that will become the notch at the top. Bevel the corners as well to make it rounded. Now flip to the back of the phone and enable the back reference image. Now we will start creating the camera bump. Create a new cube mesh, then scale the mesh and line it up. Remember to apply the scale of the object after it's been changed. Thank you to this person for leaving their comment. If you notice anything else we can improve, be sure to comment your suggestion down below. Now we will bevel the edges to make the corners of the camera bump rounded. Then we will select the outermost vertices of the camera bump mesh and scale them inward. This will give the bump the slope look it has on the real phone. Now we can create a new cylinder mesh. This will become the cameras, so we can scale the mesh to fit the reference. Then we will duplicate this cylinder mesh twice to become the other two cameras. Then a third time for the flash, and then a fourth time for the microphone. Now we will select the face of each of the camera meshes and inset and extrude them to create the raised lens. Then we can flip over to the bottom and start making the screws, speaker holes, microphone holes, and charging port. Create cylinder meshes to match up with the speaker and microphone holes. Then create a cube to fit the shape of the charging port. Bevel the edges of the cube. Now duplicate the cylinder mesh and scale to become the size of the screws. And now we can use the Boolean modifier with each of the meshes to cut out the shapes from our iPhone mesh. Select difference and set each object, then apply for each one. Now we will start making the volume and power button. So create a new cube mesh and scale it to fit the size of the volume down button and bevel the edges. Then duplicate the mesh and move it up for the volume up button. Then duplicate again and scale it down for the mute switch. Now create a new cube mesh and we will make the power button. Bevel the edges and duplicate and drag it down. And we will use this mesh to cut out the new camera button. Add the Boolean modifier and select the cube mesh we duplicated. Select difference and apply. Now we can start creating the materials. I personally like the look of the black titanium iPhone 16 Pro, so we will try to replicate those materials. Now finally we can add the Apple logo. I recreated the Apple logo in Inkscape and made a video about that before, so check that one out. But we will create a new plain mesh and add the Apple logo texture. Connect alpha to alpha in the node editor and align it the best we can with the center of the iPhone. And congratulations, you've created the iPhone 16 Pro using Blender. Remember that you can download this iPhone 16 Pro 3D model for free right now using the links in the description below. So all I ask is for you to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and donate if you can. Thanks for watching. See ya.